Welcome everyone to HFN. Today is July the 2nd, 2020. Here to give you all a very quick update for Bitcoin Cash paired against the USD. If today is your first time watching our video, you guys can see how our chart is relatively clean, easy to understand, easy to see. We don't try to confuse you on the use of technical indicators because those indicators are pointless in its use into understanding and forecasting where prices are likely to go. The only thing you need to realize is the value of both the volume and price bars. That's it, in order to see the profitability increase in your own particular trading. All right, so make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to this channel, share the video, follow us on our own social media platforms, on our website HueFinancial.com, in order to see more of our price predictions against Bitcoin. If that is something of interest to you, definitely join our community of followers who are understanding precisely what the market trapper is going to do before the market actually gets to that location. So like I said, we're going to update you all on Bitcoin Cash. The last time we did our video in Bitcoin Cash was on June 22nd, 2020. So let's zoom in and let's talk about what occurred since that video in Bitcoin Cash. You guys can see it was right here on June 22nd. We were expecting the market trapper to continue to increase the value of Bitcoin Cash. And go back and watch our video. It's in our Bitcoin Cash playlist. And you understand that we TP the market in Bitcoin Cash right there around 240, because we definitely told you all that that was an area of restriction. And no doubt about it, you know, the market trapper definitely tried to push the value of Bitcoin Cash above 240, but it was unsuccessful. Right there on the 24th of June is where the market trapper finally gave up and said, okay, I don't have enough momentum to push the value of Bitcoin Cash higher. So the market currently is lower, below $230. All right, so if you were able to grab that TP, we told you about 2% into the market around at 240, so about 1.85%. Hopefully you was able to shave some of that off the market prior to the move to the downside in price. If not, you can tell that Bitcoin Cash is just trading within a range. That's it, 280 all the way back down here to $200. That's the range the market in Bitcoin Cash has been trading. Now, generally, you can tell based off this trading that has started in the beginning half of March to today, the things you can really tell that is noticeable is the weakness that is being notified on this price chart. I mean, $240, $260 are very strong areas of restriction. In order for the trap to break those prices to the upside, it's going to require an insurmountable amount of volume in order to move a higher price. And currently, we just don't see that occurring into the market in Bitcoin Cash, right? Let's take a look at Bitcoin Cash on a weekly time frame real quick. And generally, we're not seeing a lot go on into the market in Bitcoin Cash, but definitely what I'm seeing is more weakness in Bitcoin Cash than strength. Now, I'm not going to deny it. The trap is definitely trying to hold price in Bitcoin Cash from falling below 220. That area has maintained itself as a great area of support. And that's literally the last hope that this market has in order to maintain some consolidation of trading in this space. Right there around $220. Looking at Bitcoin Cash on the monthly chart for Bitcoin Cash is relatively weak. The only positive thing for the monthly perspective is $200. So we got two crucial areas of support, $220 and $200. Keep your eyes focused on those areas of support in the market for Bitcoin Cash in the long term. Okay, so looking at Bitcoin Cash on the 4-hour chart, again, I'm still seeing instances of more weakness than strength in the space for Bitcoin Cash. You can tell we are hitting restriction from an hourly perspective right there around 225. That area is holding back Bitcoin Cash. So all in all, you know, I'm not real bullish or anticipating a bigger move to the upside for Bitcoin Cash, not yet, but I'm not seeing a lot of weakness neither. Okay, but we can still play on what the trap has been giving us over the last couple of days, and we're going to continue to play with that into the market for Bitcoin Cash. So we're going to play some of this weakness that is still being seen into the market of Bitcoin Cash. Understand 230, 240 will be the areas of restriction. we're going to TP the market right there around $210 for Bitcoin Cash. It could go a lot lower than that, but we'll TP it around 210. You know what? It might be around 215 for support. So yeah, we'll TP it around 215 for Bitcoin Cash. But generally, from a long-term perspective, I really don't see, based off the evidence that we have on these price chart, that the trap is going to be able to move the value of Bitcoin Cash to the upside. Not right now. All right. So this is it. Simple to see, simple to understand. Here to give y'all the update on our expectations and forecasts of what we expect the market trapper to do. Now it's your turn. Tell us what you think about Bitcoin Cash. Do you think it's going to move higher, lower, or just stay within this channel that it's been in since the beginning of March? Questions, comments, let us know. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and I will see you all on the next one.